So to do the orthographic drawing, what we're going to do is we're going to start off by making another layer. So we're going to go to layer properties up top and we're going to click the stack of paper. We're going to click the stack of paper with a light, the first one, so that it makes a new layer. We're going to call it projection lines. And I'm going to pick magenta. I'm going to go out on a limb and pick magenta this time. I make it current by double clicking it. You can also change it in the ribbon up here. So the first thing I'm going to draw actually is the front view, which is my green stuff. So I'm actually going to switch back to my object layer and I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line straight across and I'm going to type in 55 and enter. Then I'm going to go straight up 10 and enter, back 55 and enter, and type C and enter. So what that does is give me this first green block at the bottom. Then I'm going to draw from the top corner straight up 25, to the right 25, and all the way down to the bottom where it intersects. So that part there is this green face here, what I call the big cube. For the last one, I just simply draw a line up 5 units from the top of the opposite corner, and I proceed with that line till it intersects with my big cube. And that, my friends, is the front view. We're then going to switch to our projection lines, and we're going to draw a line straight out the top, 100, and straight from the bottom corner straight out 100 as well. Now we're going to use the copy command and we're going to place this line at all key points. Those are the 3 at the top. And I can copy here at the bottom. There's going to be one here, and one here. With those projection lines copied and in place, I'm going to change my angle to 45 and I'm going to draw what's called a miter line to help set up our side view on a 45-degree angle. Give me 1 second and we'll continue from here. All right, how did ours go? Did I go too quick? Okay, hold on 1 second because I'm going to finish this video and then come over, okay? Because then I can post it and anyone can check it on our D2L. So our next step is to draw a line from the very top, straight to the miter line, straight down to the bottom. That frames in where our orthographic drawing is going to go. I then extend these short lines so that they're touching the extremities. And now we're going to put our focus on the top view, which over here is our blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is offset 50. And if I take this top line down 50, I just have to trim where it overhangs our miter line. At that point, I'm going to copy this vertical line so that it frames in our object. Just to keep it pretty and nice, I'm going to trim the bottom part. So this is where our object or our side view is going to reside. The top one's not done yet, so we're going to offset 25. And that's going to be straight down. And I'm going to switch to our object layer and trace out the top view. There's the whole platform. Here's our little tower. And the only thing missing is this line that's 20 units forward. So I'm going to offset 20, this back one forward. And the last line I have to draw for our top view is right here. So if I turn off our projection lines, you can see our front view, and based on the projection lines and the offsets, we get our top view. So we've got the green and we've got the blue. We now need to do the orange. The orange All we need to do is make sure these lines that are projection lines are trimmed at the miter line, and then we can copy our vertical line into place. I'm going to trim these bottom ones just so it looks nice. Now, the miter line has removed our need to measure. To draw the side view or this orange view here, I simply outline from the 10 down, over 50, up 15, back 20, down, and over. That drawing is just simply this bottom part of the side view. The last thing we need to do is draw from the top to make the box in shape. So if I turn off the projection lines, we can see all three views are clearly there. We can turn the miter line back on just to see, and we can turn it off to make sure the lines are in the right spot. So that is the orthographic of our isometric practice.